You know, because I don't consider it as it's just a pattern on your body. It's not that simple. It's something like you're gonna memorize your life.
I know you guys, you were missing us, but don't worry. Now this year we're gonna make crazy videos. And there is some great news for you guys, for the Hanjovers. I will leave these video clips about my birthday over here. Hey, hello guys. What's up, Hanjovers? Today we're gonna celebrate my birthday with everything. We're gonna have so much fun. Right now with my friend Juan. He's from Colombia. If you remember him. What's up? He's coming today with me. Today we're gonna celebrate my birthday. Right now we are in the bus. We are heading to Wulin Square. I'm heading to make a tattoo for free. My friend Jessie, because today is Women's Day. Today is my birthday. I turned 24 years old. So we bought 24 flowers for 24 women. The first one is gonna be for Nastia, and the second one is gonna be for Juan's girlfriend, which is also from Colombia. And the rest, we're gonna just give it away. We're gonna go right now to Wulin Square, or to see who, I still don't know. The other 22 flowers to just random girls walking in the street.
I'll get it round,
No woman!
I'm over here, cause whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me.
Right now there is no girls, I don't see any Hanjovers. So we just keep walking to meet Jessica Wu. That is the person who's gonna make our tattoo, my tattoo for free. So let's keep going.
I'll never get tired.
New scene,快乐。
谢谢啊，谢谢。拜拜。
女性日快乐。
啊，Thank you。
拜拜。
I'm good. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Hi. Thank you so much.
My friend.
I'm good.
My
Thank
friend
you.
Masumi.
Come on in. I hope you don't afraid of the dog.
Guys, Jessica, she's Jessica. Say something to the Hanjovers.
Hi. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Guys, right now we are here in her place and we're gonna eat a cake. She's very kind. She just now bought a cake for us and to celebrate my birthday, because today is my birthday and Women's Day. Yeah,
It's up to you.
Yeah.
So we're gonna move everything. And since you were born in 1994, so I'm not sure it's 24 or
34.
5. Okay. Because in China we count it, we add one year.
Right?
So I'm not sure, so I have, yes, these two. Ta-da!
Wow.
Yeah!
My head is too big.
Yeah, this is the, badge. Can I take some pictures?
Sure.
Need to turn off the light. Okay.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Okay guys, now we finish. Thank you Jessica one more time. So you are welcome to come here. I'm gonna make a special video for her about this place. She's from Mongolia. Really nice girl, really kind person. She bought the cake, she tattooed me for free, really kind. So you are welcome to come here. I'm gonna leave her Wechat in the video. Okay guys, I already arrived to fix my phone. My friend Joe, he's the one who fixes my phone all the time. How are you?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
I wanna fix my phone, please.
What's wrong? We have something which covers here, so you will never see the scratch. It's okay.
I wanna see, please. But right now I'm going to Walmart after I fix my phone in the Huanglong Stadium. I just decided to don't buy anything and check some football. It's good weather and everything, so I'm planning to go and buy the tickets and watch the football game. Right now is 2:45 in the afternoon. The game is at 3:30, so I have like around 20 minutes to find the free ticket. Actually, I have a friend who can give me free tickets. Guys, I found my friend. She's my friend, the one who's gonna give me the free ticket. So right now we are heading to the main gate and try to find the seat. So now I'm gonna watch the game. Let's see if we Greentown Hanzhou team can win. Okay, so let's watch the game. Actually, I wanted to tell you that after the game, I want to go and fix my bike. Everybody's just looking at me, but doesn't matter. Still 0-0, there is kind of boring. I'm fighting here to don't fall asleep. Still, it's now 37 minutes of the first half, but I hope the second half will be much better. Right now I'm going to show you where is this place. This is the Walmart where you can buy everything, and right here you just face the stadium. second half was much better, so let's go home. I think now I'm gonna go to Walmart to buy some coffee, and after that I'm going home.
I found a perfect girl. She's from another world. She puts a smile on my face and takes me.
Okay, Honduras, so I think that's all for today's video. Today was an amazing day, guys. So I hope to see you next time with another video.